Hi, welcome to the Thirdrez. Officially, May 2026 marks the launch of the Kinetiq Engine, and this is what it looks like. It's not just another 3D tool, it's an animation engine built for speed. It runs entirely in your browser, zero installation required, built for indie devs, creators, and anyone who hates spending 30 minutes on something that should take 2 clicks, whether you are building for Unreal Engine, Unity, Second Life, or VRM. Kinetiq speaks your language. In this series, we are not doing long lectures, 7 short videos, direct to the point. From your very first keyframe, to retargeting, to physics and jiggle bones, all the way to exporting your final motion exactly where you need it. The engine is live, the documentation is up. Consider subscribing to the channel and join our Discord for tips and support. Check the link in the description of Thirdrez and try Kinetiq Engine and run your own tests.